CBS Los Angeles sports presentation.
Bolt up. Game time is coming.
Looking downfield, sideline shot here. It's caught by Allen.
It's game time. Bolt up.
Through a lot of space. Screen for the pylon. He's in.
Bolt up. Game time is coming.
Can he one-handed in the end zone to Mike Williams? Yes.
Chargers preseason football.
And down he goes. Knocked down, intercepted on the play by James Herbert. Williams in the end zone. Touchdown.
It's that time of year where everybody around the NFL has reasons to be excited, but maybe nobody more than the Los Angeles Chargers. Year 3 under Brandon Staley. The energy is palpable, the star power apparent, and the continuity is most certainly set in stone. All the pieces in place as the Chargers embark on their journey. Preseason game number 1 against the crosstown rival Rams here at SoFi Stadium. We welcome you high above SoFi. Noah Eagle, Hall of Famer Dan Fouts. We've got LaDainian Tomlinson and Haley Elwood downstairs will join us as well. Glad to have you along for the ride. Brandon Staley knows he's got his franchise quarterback, and that's the main storyline always with this team. Justin Herbert signed this offseason to a big contract extension till 2029. It seems like he gets better and better, but what have you seen now in year 4 of the Herbert experience?
Well, I see big bucks, okay? But with big bucks come big expectations. With huge bucks, I think he'll be able to handle